My name is Motoko Saito from Japan. My occupations are a medical doctor and a yoga teacher. I'm a founder of Yoga and Wellness Chandra. Chandra has had an MOU with Kaivalyadhama from 2014. So I want to apply the yoga as a complementary medicine for the patient. Actually, my profession was gastroenterological surgeon, but now shifting to the palliative care and women's health care. Dr. O.P. Tiwari, he is my guru and my mentor, and I've learned from him mainly pranayama since 2007. He is a light to me in yoga, and as I got from him, I just share to the society. Knowledge is all about sharing. So I just want to educate the people that I've learned from him. There are two reasons why I came here. One is to deepen my own practice, practical learning, and the second is to bring Japanese students. I want to share Japanese students to take the learning from the traditional yoga, the wonderful teachers. It's my great pleasure to share Tiwari's powerful teaching and presence with Japanese students. Sri Niraji sir, the coordinator of the course, and all other teachers gave us the traditional yoga without dilution and with generosity. I had witnesses from a lot of students had an awareness and transformation. I'm really grateful for it. The attitude of all staff is wonderful. They are always smiling and welcoming to us. And this environment is very green rich and very quiet, peaceful place. From away from the chaos and the noisy outside of the world, it was the best place to deepen our practice. And the meal, it was wonderful and very gentle taste. And I never miss Japanese food. I have co-hosting yoga therapy course with Kaivalyadhama this year. So in future, I hope I want to visit the center again, and I want to bring the Japanese client to as a doctor, and also I want to train the Japanese yoga therapist in future.